Hey YouTube and vinyl community. Hope everybody's having a good first week of 2017. I know my week's been pretty good. I want to thank the Techwebcast for having me on the podcast this week to talk about vinyl and the giveaway. I'm going to post the link to their podcast below. So if you want to check it out, you're more than welcome to. They do a good job over there. So this is going to be the first in the YouTube video giveaway. I went ahead and started with Dark Side of the Moon. I haven't opened any of these of my albums yet because I wanted to do the kind of break the seal video so you can see what's inside of it. The reason why I chose to do Dark Side of the Moon first is because it's probably the most popular album out of all the albums I'm giving away, and I've probably listened to it more than any of the other albums. So I'm just curious to hear how this particular remaster differs from their past releases. This one is, I'll get the sticker here. So this is the remaster. It came out in 2016. You can see there. So from the original analog tapes. There's a sticker there. The back just looks normal. It's got the PFRLP8. I don't want the sticker hitting the cover there. Okay, so there's lots of inserts, which tells me that they're putting in, and yes, looks like they're putting in the original stickers. That means there's going to be a poster. And a second poster. Look at that. Very, very nice copy. So it's got a nice inner sleeve. It looks real similar to the 2011 release that I had. But it was just mastered differently this time, so it should sound a little bit differently. One thing I'm not seeing, and let me get the... Doesn't appear that this comes with a download card, which the last one did. So that's, I guess, one minor downfall to this particular release. But I've heard very good reviews about this as far as the audio quality of the mastering. So I'm really excited to spin it. Okay, so probably a lot of you are waiting for the contest details. Okay, so each video I'm going to do is going to have a different hashtag. And this particular video, I would like you to do the following in order to be considered for the giveaway. For this video you're watching right now, if you leave a comment, leave the comment hashtag Floyd for free, FLOYD and list the country that you reside in as well. So if you're from America, put America. If you're from Germany, put Germany, etc. I was thinking about this. I had mentioned before that I'm going to be giving away a one international. If somebody wins and they're outside of the United States, I'll go ahead and ship it to one person. But I would hate to have to tell several people that they won and then find out that I have too many people outside of the country. So I would appreciate if you could at least just put that in there so I'll know if I've maxed out that number, that I won't tell you won and then find out I can't send it to you anymore. So you have to do that, as well as follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @stillspinning3. That's STILLSPINNING3. I'm going to post a video, tweet a link out to this particular video, acknowledging that it's posted and the contest is ready. So if you could find that video on my Twitter handle and like and retweet it, just do those 4 things, and you can do it once per day, and I will put your name in the hat each day if you do that once per day, and I will end the contest at midnight on Friday, this coming Friday. That'd be midnight Central Time in the United States. At that point, I'll stop taking entries, and I will announce the winner on my next video giveaway, which will probably be next Saturday night. I will post all the details in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to send a message to me, and I will do my best to answer them. And good luck to all of you out there trying to win, and thanks for watching as always.